This is Njambiz and welcome back to my channel.
So I showed you how to create an email ad in the last video. Check it out if you haven't. I'll leave a link in the description box and on the top right corner of your screen right now. Now I said I would run this ad and show you exactly how it performed to give you an idea of what to expect when running these kinds of ads. And in the process, I decided to show you the whole process. So after we set up the ad, I got this email saying that the ad was not approved for these reasons. There was inconsistent display of landing page URLs. Your display URL must match your destination URL. All members who click on your ad must be sent to the same destination URL and landing page. Now the thing that happened here is I was sharing my company page link as well as my website link, so I guess I can only use one. So now I'm going to go and correct this because it says once I correct it they will review it again and approve. So I'm going to go correct this. I go back to my campaign manager. I've already shown you how to access this. So from my campaign, I'll go ahead and select that campaign and click on manage, which is edit it. Now here's the campaign I did. Just make sure it's exactly what I did. Yeah, nothing has changed. Message ad, daily budget. I set it to run till the 30th. The bid is okay. So I go to next because the problem is in the form itself. So I'll come and edit this ad. Okay, so I've created the new form. I'm going to link this. Actually, I need to edit something I've just remembered. And a message. Oh, it had picked the link. Okay, and that's fine. So I'm going to use the first message now. Okay, so I've turned it from draft to active. It said it's in review. There's something they hadn't shown us how to do, but okay, I figured it out for us. So I'll let you know once they review this, if they approve it or not. I'll let you know. This one was already rejected. I don't know why they didn't just give an option to edit this, which is just annoying. But once this has been reviewed and I get an email whether approved or not, I'll let you guys know. If it's approved, then we'll go straight into the analytics and how the ad performed. Okay, so I'll see you next week after the ad has run. Hopefully it will be approved. So even after I've done the second form, it's been rejected again. It's still giving the same error. But I've now just realized I didn't need to fill in a new form. I could have just duplicated and edited the old one. My bad. You learn as you go. Because you can see now the text has already been duplicated. I don't need to do it all over again. So I think this is the problem. Okay, so I'll have to recreate the form again, even though I've just duplicated the ad. Let me recreate the form and hopefully it gets approved. So it's been days later, and last I left you guys, I was editing the form because it had been rejected. I needed to make some corrections, and even after I did that, it was rejected again, actually twice. And I came to learn that the reason the form was being rejected, I actually had to write to them to find out why. The reason the form was being rejected, other than the fact that it needed consistent URLs, If I was directing them to the company page, I direct them just to the company page on everything. If it's to the website, straight to the website on everything. Now, the reason I learned that it was being rejected was the privacy policy, where you are supposed to enter a link to the privacy policy. They expect you to actually put in a link that has a privacy policy. So I had to create this because I didn't have this before. So I created this real quick, privacy policy on my website, and I put it in, and the form was accepted, and voila, active. So yeah, that was a runaround. Hopefully you won't have to go through this because I have. That's what you're supposed to do. So I'll go back to the campaign and show you guys what it has been able to achieve so far. So because of the back and forth with the form, our campaign started running on Saturday. That was on the... started running on the 28th. It started running on the 28th and finished on the 2nd. So it only ran for 4 days. Only ran for 4 days. And this is what it spent. It spent $40 because it's $10 per day, 40.14. It got 295 impressions, 156 clicks. That's to either fill in the form or going to my page or going to my personal profile, because I did get a couple of profile visits. Let me show you that. Of course, I'll have to block out the faces and names because I'm not trying to put anyone's business out here. But I got a couple of profile views from company owner, from founder. As you can see, it's very effective. So, and because I was sending the messages myself, the profile views were of course to my personal profile. And I did get a couple of visits to my company page, and I did get 2 form fill outs. Where are those? 2 leads right here. So for the total $40 spent, that accounted to $20 per lead. And the way you access these leads right now, let me show you how to access the leads. So the way you access the leads is you go to accounts assets at the very top here and go to lead generation forms. From here you'll see the forms. These are the ones that got rejected. You'll see the form and then click on download leads, and you'll get that as an Excel document with all the details you asked for. Again, I can't show the information because of privacy reasons, but I was collecting their phone numbers, their emails, their business names, and so on and so on. And for the phone number, this is an extra knowledge info. If the number comes and its format is not right, just if you can't get the number clearly, like this has an E plus and so on, just change the format of that cell to numbers and it should be able to give you the number properly. So yeah, those are the leads I got, and I actually got in touch with these 2 leads, and I got positive feedback from one of them. We will be working together in future. And I also got a message through LinkedIn directly to me on the campaign still. On the campaign still, with someone inquiring still. I did get an inquiry through messaging directly to my profile also from the same campaign, with someone who's interested in the services. So in total, I did get 3 leads and a couple of visits to my profile and a couple of connections from this campaign, which ran for 4 days and spent $40. So I just wanted to do this, to do the campaign and kind of show you guys the analytics, what you can expect. And of course, this varies from campaign to campaign because of product type, because of service type. Of course, if you have fast moving goods, they will perform a lot better than this. So the performance is not exactly the same for every product and service, but at least this gives you an idea of what to expect and if it's worth putting in your money. So I would say for me this was a success. 4 days, $40, and got 3 leads, 2 very serious ones that have converted to clients. I would say this is a success. So that's it for today's video. I just wanted to share a little bit about this, about how this went. And also, if you're able to, LinkedIn usually gives some, let me show you real quick before I go. LinkedIn usually gives ad credits, usually like about $50 credit, so that you can do ads on LinkedIn. If you see that promotion, because it usually goes to almost every profile, take advantage, click on it, get that coupon and use it to advertise. For example, the $40 I've spent are purely on the promo and on the credits they gave me, which was 50. I've not even exhausted that because I've spent 40.14. I still have $9 left on that credit that I can spend to advertise. So I haven't even spent any of my money on this. I just got their credits because they share that to encourage you to advertise on LinkedIn. So if you see that, take advantage of it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new. I hope it was insightful and enlightening. If it was, please give it a big thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up. Comment below if you have any questions about the LinkedIn InMail ads, the performance and analytics, and any questions about any LinkedIn ads questions, or any social media for that matter. Any questions on digital marketing, branding, and business, comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. Do share it widely if it was helpful. Let others learn as well. And subscribe for more videos on digital marketing, branding, and business, and also my personal life and vlog videos every single week. Subscribe. Let's keep learning, let's keep growing together, let's keep entertained. So subscribe, and I'll see you next time.